today I'm gonna open up this hair breeder set. I'm so excited. Let's unbox it now. I can't wait to see what is inside. Whoa! Cool. Oh, there's a tape here. Take out this, take the comb. This tape is hard to take out. There. Whoa! This is a small comb. How adorable. Oh, and bees. Whoa, so many bees and so colorful. I love it. And now some clips, and I need to take out this tape again. Whoa, so nice, and it also has my favorite color. More bees just in case. Tape here. Take it out. And one more right here. Down here too. And there. Whoa, so many tape. Whoa. This is so nice, and so many colors, so colorful, just like a rainbow. Wait, I feel something. Here, there's another tape I missed. What? Wow, so many things we have here. Let's check it out how to use this hair braider. I think we should push this button so we can open apart. Whoa, so cool. Let's find out how to braid our hair. We need to see this instruction book first. Let's see. Oh, I know now. We need to take this and put some beads on it and then put it on our hair. I think I want to go with the blue beads for now. There. I think next is purple. So first thing you need to do is take a little bit of the hair and then use the hair braider and hook it on the hair just like this. There. So now I'm gonna pull this thing up. my gosh. So now we're gonna use this stopper to stop the beads from falling down. There. Super nice. Wow. It's like a dream. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. See you on my next video. Bye!